Hey, how's it going? So we've got the A blues using A7, D7, and E7. So our A7 chord is just using fingers 1 and 2. We have finger 1 here on the D string and finger 2 down here on the B string. It's pretty much just like an A chord, but we're just lifting the middle finger, but I like to play it with this finger over here. So you've got really 3 ways you can play it. You can play it with finger 1 and 2, you can play it with finger 1 and 3, or sometimes you can play it with finger 2 and 3, and it's just those 2 strings. Then we have our D7 chord. When we look at the D, we've got our little triangle here. All we're doing is we're taking the point of the triangle, this 3rd fret right here, and we need to slide it all the way back to this 1st fret. So the easiest way to do that is to use finger 1, that's now taking this note and moving it back there, and then fingers 2 and 3 are on the D string and the high E. So now this point is now on this side as opposed to this side, but the 2 middle notes stay exactly the same even though we're using 2 different fingers. With the D7 chord, we're strumming 4 strings. With that A7 chord, we're strumming 5 strings. And then our last chord is our E7. We're taking an E major chord, which was like this, and we're just lifting our 3rd finger. So it's 1st finger on the G and 2nd finger on the A, and we're strumming 6 strings. Now we're plugging it into the 12-bar blues formula, which was A, D, D, A, E, D, A, E, which is the same as our blues bass line. A, down to D, D, A again, then the E, the D, the A, the E. Now I'm just doing it with the chords. A again, A a 3rd time, A a 4th time, D, and D again, back to A, and A again, then to E, the D, the A, and the E. And right now my strum is just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm strumming 8th notes, and I need to do that 4 times for the A. I like to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4. 3, 2 and 3 and 4, 4, 2 and 3 and 4, D, 2 and 3 and 4, 2 of those, back to the 2 A's, and A again, and then 1 E, then a D, and then an A, and then an E, back to the beginning. That is the A blues using 7 chords. Remember, these 7 chords have a honky-tonk sound versus the major chord, which is very happy, and then the A minor chord, super sad. So we got a happy chord, we got a sad song, and now we have a chord, and now we have a bluesy chord. Now what will eventually happen is, instead of doing this straight 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and rhythm, we'll get a little funky with it, and we can do something that's a little more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the D, 2, the D again, to the A, again. I said, hey. Go. And remember, the 2 parts can be played with 2 musicians, and each guy or girl doing each one of the parts. Have fun.